Welcome, dear friends. And as you know that 23rd July 2024, Modi government has presented its first budget, full-fledged budget, I should say, after the election. There are many points which are important and needs to be highlighted. And here is one point which was ignored basically, which if I say it has not flashed, but it attracted me. And what is that? Which I'm going to read out. Budget tax clearance certificate mandatory for leaving India. If any person wants to leave India, he wants to go abroad, it is required that tax clearance certificate is required. Means along with this passport, visa, which I am able to understand it, tax clearance certificate is also required. Means there should not be any tax liability on you, and you have to collect that certificate and then you can leave. And it is very important, as you know that many industrialists they were involved in corrupt practices and they left India. And after some after people leave India, it is very difficult to bring back them, because the law obligations to the other countries, and it's a lot of expenditure. It's very difficult to bring them to our fold. So the government has made it very clear, if you want to stay in India, you have to follow the rules and regulations of the country. You have to abide by certain laws. You cannot simply do whatever you want to do here and leave the country, enjoy foreign country, okay, and take the citizenship of that country. That era has gone. That's a clear message from this rule, which I able to perceive it. So tax clearance certificate mandatory for leaving India. Obtaining tax clearance certificate mandatory for Indians before leaving country. The budget has made the rules stricter for obtaining clearance certificate, which are needed to leave India. Starting October 1st, anyone living in India will need a clearance certificate confirming they are clear under the Black Money Act. According to Section 230 of the Income Tax IT Act, anyone living in India must get certificate from the tax authorities before leaving the country. This certificate confirms that the person has no unpaid taxes or has arranged to pay any outstanding amounts. The 2024 budget also proposed removing the rupees 10 lakhs penalty under section 42 and 43 of the Black Money Act for not reporting foreign assets other than real estate if their total value is less than rupees 20 lakhs. This change will be effective from October 1st, 2024. The provisions means that every resident who is ordinarily a resident of India must disclose all foreign assets, including investments like shares and securities, and any income from these assets when filing their income tax return. If they don't report foreign income and assets or fail to submit the idea related to them, they may face a penalty of rupees 10 lakhs under section 42 or 43 of the Black Money Act, regardless of the asset's value. However, these sections don't apply to one or more bank accounts with a total balance not exceeding rupees 5 lakhs at any time during the previous year. So this is the nice initiatives, I should say, in terms of uh, making things transparent. Clarity is there, that you need to be very very uh, transparent while you are dealing, while you are doing business, and the business should based on some ethics. Okay, so thank you. This is a good news for the nation. Thank you.